In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload an image to GPT-4 ChatGPT quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to send ChatGPT a screenshot, a photo, or any other image so it can help you analyze it, explain it, or answer questions about it, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're using a version that supports image uploads, such as GPT-4 or GPT-4o. Once you're on the chat screen, look at the message bar at the bottom. This is where you normally type your questions. To upload an image, you'll want to find the attachment option. Depending on your interface, this may appear as a paperclip icon or a plus icon. Go ahead and click that icon to open the upload options. After that, you'll usually see an option that says Upload from Computer. Click that, and your file browser will open so you can choose the image you want to send. Simply locate the image on your device, select it, and confirm the upload. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the image directly into the chat window, which is often the fastest method. Just click the image file on your desktop or in your folder, drag it over to the conversation, and release it into the chat. Once the image is attached, you can type a prompt if you want ChatGPT to do something specific with it. For example, you can ask it to describe the image, summarize the text inside it, identify objects, explain a screenshot, or help troubleshoot something shown in the picture. When you're ready, press Enter or click Send, and ChatGPT will process the image along with your message. It's also important to know that common image formats like JPEG, PNG, and WebP are supported, so most standard images should upload without any issue. If the file doesn't upload, double-check that the image format is supported and that the file isn't corrupted or too large. Also make sure you're signed into the correct account and using a model that has image capabilities enabled. And that's it. Now you know how to upload an image to GPT-4 ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. Whether you're sharing a screenshot, a document photo, or a regular image, the process is fast and straightforward once you know where to click. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.